Are you looking for a way to deep dive into your CRM data? Well, we've got just the solution for you. In addition to our full reporting suite, Nutshell offers SQL access, allowing you to connect directly to your data using a standard SQL client over a secure connection. This feature is perfect for those of you who need advanced reporting and analytics. Configuring SQL access is a collaborative effort. Our team will work with you to understand your use case and set up the appropriate credentials. SQL access is ideal for customers using business intelligence systems like Looker, Power BI, or Tableau. Craft custom reports and gain insights from your CRM data like never before. You'll need staff experienced in crafting SQL queries and a tool to display the results, whether it's another connected system or a graphing tool like Google Looker Studio. This tool is also a key part of an ETL system, allowing you to extract, transform, and load your Nutshell data into a data warehouse for even more in-depth analysis. If you're looking for a CRM that can provide capabilities of robust and custom reporting, Nutshell Enterprise is for you. Start your free trial today and get full access to Nutshell during the duration of your trial.